Find the points on the curve y equal to x cube at which the slope of the tangent is equal to the y coordinate of the point. So, here we have to find the point of contact at which, when the tangent is drawn, has a slope equal to the y coordinate of the point of contact. So, that is the meaning of this question. Well, so we know that the slope of the tangent is dy by dx at the point of contact. So, let us assume that x1 y1 is the point of contact. So, let x1 y1 be the point of contact. So, let us find dy by dx. So, dy by dx is equal to d by dx of x cube, which is equal to 3x squared. Slope of the tangent at the point of contact x1 y1 is same as dy by dx at x1 y1, which is equal to 3x1 square. 3x1 square. So, it is given that the slope of the tangent is equal to the y coordinate of the point. So, it is given slope of the tangent is equal to y coordinate of point of contact. Which implies slope of the tangent is 3x1 square and that should be equal to y1. 3x1 square equal to y1. And since x1 y1 is a point on the curve, it must satisfy the curve equation, which means y1 should be equal to x1 cube. So, y1 should be equal to x1 cube. So, let us try to solve these two equations. So, we got one relation between x and y as 3x1 square equal to y1, and we got a second condition that y1 is equal to x1 cube. So, from 1 and 2 we get 3x1 square equal to x1 cube, or we can write x1 cube minus 3x1 square equal to 0, or taking x1 square common we get x1 minus 3 equal to 0, which implies x1 equal to 0 or x1 equal to 3. So, when x1 is equal to 0, we find the corresponding value of y1. So, using the condition 2, y1 becomes 0 cube, that is equal to 0, and when x1 is equal to 3, y1 is equal to 3 cube, that is equal to 27. Therefore, the points of contact are 0, 0 and the other point is 3, 27. So, once again, so we have considered the point of contact to be x1 y1, and we found dy by dx as d by dx of x cube, which is 3x square. Then the slope of the tangent at any point of contact x1 y1 is given by dy by dx at x1 y1, which is equal to 3x1 square. And in the problem it is given that slope of the tangent is equal to the y coordinate of the point. So, 3x1 square should be equal to y1. And since x1 y1 is a point on the curve, it has to satisfy the curve equation y is equal to x cube. So, we get y1 is equal to x1 cube. So, that becomes the second equation. So, from equation 1 and equation 2 we find what is x1. So, we compare 3x1 square equal to x1 cube, and on simplification we got the value of x1 as 0 or 3. So, at x1 equal to 0 we found the value of y1 as 0, and when x1 is equal to 3 we got y1 equal to 27 by substituting in the equation 2. Therefore, the points of contact are 0, 0 and 3, 27.